Every day, throughout Great Ormond Street Hospital, people go above and beyond to help children and young people with complex health needs fulfil their potential. Thanks to the input of our patients and families, staff and partners, we've come up with an exciting new strategy that brings all their ideas together in a 5-year plan of action. We've discovered what will make the most difference to our patients and staff and have set ourselves 6 ambitious programmes of work to make one giant leap for GOSH. We want GOSH to be an incredible place to work, so we'll invest more in the well-being, education and development of our fantastic staff. By putting the patient at the centre of our thinking, we'll deliver a future hospital programme which will transform outdated pathways and processes. We'll improve and speed up access to urgent care and stay one step ahead by developing virtual technology so care can be accessed both in and out of the hospital. We'll develop the GOSH Learning Academy to help staff learn and thrive as they care for our patients. When conducting research into rare and complex conditions, we'll involve everyone to help speed up the development of new treatments and cures. And to help care for children with rare and hard-to-treat cancers, we'll build a new Children's Cancer Centre, a space with state-of-the-art facilities. All our decision-making will be guided by 6 clear principles. This strategy sets out a clear and exciting vision for the hospital so we can deliver better, safer, kinder care to save and improve more lives and ensure the hospital is a great place to work. Thank you for being part of our journey and making sure GOSH goes above and beyond.